You! What is up, fuckers? We do not condone underage smoking. This video is for adults 18 and plus. If you are under the age of 18, please click off now and rules and
Target acquired.
I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I bag it all.
And how we dog diddly doog, and we're back with another video. Appreciate you guys popping in. We got the old HYDRA 8000 puff. This thing is USB Type-C. You guys will be seeing more in the cinematics. Catch you guys then.
No, instead of waiting on a good day, waiting around through ups and downs, waiting on something to happen, I just said,
we're gonna have a good day, and all my homies gonna ride today.
That's right.
And all these mommies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today. Cause ain't nobody gonna die today. Save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
And we're back from that how we doogin'. Appreciate you guys popping in and appreciate you guys passing 12K. But this is a fresh review, fresh device. Haven't opened it up yet. We got strawberry peach. Let's get into this. Comes with a lanyard in there. Okay. I always like looking at the packaging. This one's got all the dragons on it, looking nice. Ooh-wee. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's clean. That's clean, body. Little top. Pop this off at the top here. Do your little peel off sticker at the bottom. Got your little peel off sticker down here. Peel that off. Good build quality. I like the look of these devices. Let's go for the smell test.
And all these mommies look fly today.
Ooh, peach. Strawberry peach. Okay, I smell a lot of peach in that. I smell a lot of peach, so let's get into it. Actually, let's put this together real quick. Little lanyard hook right there. So you just take this, push it on. Bam. I got like a little lanyard for it. Won't fall away. You can use it for like a little wristlet, I guess. Put it on your wrist. Put it on a keychain. But let's take this first taste test here. Cheers to that.
heard my cousin cooking out, I gotta give me a play. Got this new outfit, ain't even out in the States.
Wow. Oh, that's super flavorful on the peach side. Like, I smelled a lot of peach when we took that little smell test. Smelled a lot of peach, but I thought the peach wasn't going to come through as strong as the strawberry. I thought the strawberry was going to be more dominant in that one. The peach actually tastes really good. Let's take another choo-choo. Wow, that's smooth. Ooh, that hits nice, eh? Super clean look to it as well. On the back side of it says born of the dragon monster. And then on the front it just says strawberry peach 5%. So it just gives you what you need to know there. Let's get some tricks on it. Let's see what we can get.
Save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good
We
day.
might as well do exactly what the children saying. Take the
Make sure you guys staying hydrated.
and just hang. Barbecue, roll a few, and put up the deuce. And if it's beef, put
This thing fucking rips, eh? Whew. Little ripper, 8,000 puffs on it too. You guys saw that in the cinematics. USB Type-C rechargeable as well. This device overall, this thing fucking slaps, and the flavor on it is pretty damn good. Let's get into the rating of the device. Packaging. So the packaging for this device, not too shabby. You got the box for it. It's pretty vibrant, pretty reflective and shit. You get those different rainbow colors kind of reflecting on it. Tells you what you need to know on the box. I like that. Packaging was a little bit different. Not the generic, just plastic, clear plastic. Did have their brand on it, so branded plastic as well. So that's pretty cool to see. And as well came with a lanyard, so that's pretty cool. And the overall device looks pretty cool as well. Looks very built. It looks pretty built, you know? Hard plastic. Obviously it is plastic, but hard plastic. Nice build to it. Pretty decent. So overall look at the device, design of the device, I'm gonna say a 7.8. 7.8 on the look of this device. It looks pretty sweet, and I like the lanyard. So the look on the device, 7.8. Flavor of the device, take one more rip here. Cheers. It's pretty flavorful. You do get it's more peach than it is strawberry. It is called strawberry peach, so I thought it was going to be more strawberry or peach mixture. And normally a lot of the peaches I don't taste as much when it's mixed in with it. So the more prominent strawberry than it would be peach, but I taste the peach a lot in this. So not too bad of a flavor. I like peach, and it doesn't even have a menthol on it, and it's still a decent device, you know? So refreshing hit, tastes well. Tastes like a peach ring mixed with, I don't know, like a little bit of strawberry in it. It's like a peach strawberry peach ring or something like that. Strawberry peach ring, you know? But flavor on this device, let's do one more. Ooh, that tastes good. If it had ice on it, it would be a little bit higher. I always say it, but I'm just more of a menthol lover myself. That flavor is good though. I have to give this one, honestly, I'll probably say like an 8.3. 8.3. That's not too bad. 7.8 on the device look and everything like that. For the flavor, 8.3. Pretty damn good. But I think it's the time in the video. If you guys know what time it is, can you blinker? That's the question. Can you blinker?
Can you blinker?
And we're back from that. Let us know what you guys got down in the comments down below on this video. Let us know what you guys are rocking with, what device you guys got. I do appreciate everyone popping in and appreciate you guys passing 12K. You guys are nuts, eh? Make sure you guys staying hydrated, and hopefully you guys are having a good day, hey. Smash that like button too. If we made it to this part of the video, smash it up. Okay, got our device, got our drinks. Time to rip it. Can you blinker? Cheers to that. Cheers. Jeez. Oh yeah, flavorful, a lot of flavor. Ooh, fresh device, fresh blinker. That's how we get it done over here on the YD Boys channel. Appreciate everyone popping in. I appreciate those new subs too. Hopefully you guys are having a good rest of you guys' day. I appreciate you guys popping in. Keep going, keep growing. That's the motto on the channel, and I'll catch you guys sometime soon here. Stay hydrated. Okie dokie, boo-byes.